of all of my friends. Here's Mickey and Donald and Goofy too, to celebrate your birthday with you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wanted to tell you in my own special way that you're extra special, so have a great